In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove blank cells from your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. So there are two easy ways on how you can do this. The first one would be the simplest one, and that's going to be by selecting that empty or blank cell. Right-click on it and select Delete Cells right here. So you have two options on the right side, Delete Cells and Shift Left. If you do have some existing data on the right side, they will be shifted to the left. Or if you have data from the bottom, once that cell is deleted, it will be shifted up. So we do have some data right below that empty cell, so we're going to select the second option. So delete cells and shift up. There you have it. Let's try that again for this one. Right-click, delete cells, and shift up. We have two more empty cells right here. Right-click, shift up. Right-click, delete cells, and shift up. There you have it. Now we've completely removed all the blank cells from our data. Now our second method would be to actually apply a filter. So what you're going to do is to select that entire data right there or that range. Then go to Data here in the menu bar and select Create a Filter. So now that we have our filter, what we're going to do is to click on that filter and go to the bottom where we're going to be filtering by values. Clear everything and just select the blanks. Click on OK, and here we have them. So we have 4 blanks in total. That's going to be row 5, 15, 23, and 29. If we right-click on those and select Delete Selected Rows, now we don't have any more empty rows or cells from that range. If we go ahead and go to Data and remove the filter, now we're only left with our data already without those empty or blank cells. So again, those were two easy ways. You can either right-click and delete cells, or you can apply a filter and filter out those blank cells and delete them. And that's how you can remove your blank cells from your spreadsheet right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.